Hello, I am Sneha. I am from Work for Wonders. We have been given a task to build up an e-commerce site displaying the prices in the increasing order. For this project, we used .NET Framework technology. For supporting this, we used Visual Studio 2015 and we used the language C# as backend support. And MVC is divided in, it's just a pattern and it's divided into three main components: model, view and controller. And view is nothing but just an interface between the user and the application. Controller, the business logic is implemented by the controller and namespaces are within the controller. System.web.mvc is one of the controllers used, and without these controllers we cannot build up the code further. So we use these controllers. And JavaScript and jQuery are the client-side scripting languages we used in our project. Client-side scripting languages are so efficient than the server-side scripting languages, so we use them in our project. And coming to Ajax, we use Ajax is a asynchronous JavaScript and XML. By using the Ajax, we get the API search. Coming to the coding, here you can see the controllers. In control search controllers, now you can see the namespace, that is system.web.mvc. And this is the coding, and coming to the index, it is directed to the view. In view, we are using Ajax. I already told you before that Ajax gives the API key to which is directed to us to the e-commerce sites. Now coming to our web page. This is our web page. This is the text area. If, for example, if we give Dell, it goes on searching for the products, that too from the increasing order of the prices. After pressing the search key, the products related to Dell are displayed from top 3 e-commerce sites with prices. According to our choice, we can select one of them and press the Go to Store. Now it directs us to the particular e-commerce site after pressing the Go to Store. Now we are pressing Go to Store. We get this product with its prices. Like this, we can make a choice from different e-commerce sites from single application. This is one of the main advantages of our product compared to other applications. In addition to the availability, we can get the prices too. Like this, we are directed to different e-commerce sites like Snapdeal, Flipkart and Amazon, that with prices. And this is our final project. Thanks to Startup Village for giving this wonderful opportunity.